Same thing on the next page. How did I find those? Because I want to show you something. Was it this one or is Reagan? Oh, Reagan had one. Yeah, these all have Mama Bear right at the beginning of the word. But what you can do if you want those words, you can find a list. We'll do that in a different video. You can find a list of all of the third-party sellers on Amazon. Everybody that sells a merch shirt, you can find that list of sellers and just download all those brands and do a search for the term Mama Bear, and you'll find everybody. So that's how I found women's Reagan Bush 84 shirt, because it wasn't with the Reagan Bush 84 brand, because they put the word women in front of it. But I still found it to show that there's brands using that phrase for their product, for their brand name. All right, moving right along. Now this, I don't know if they're going to accept any of this. I hope they do. It's a lot of work to put this together. And I think there is a legitimate concern that this applicant might try to shut down all these different stores if they get their trademark. On Etsy, I found 183 shops were found for Mama Bear. You can see I used a white rectangle to blank out any terms that didn't have the word Mama Bear in them, because what happens if you don't do that? If the person reviewing your stuff is skimming through and they see something that's not Mama Bear right off the bat, they'll just, they're busy. They might not think that you have a very strong case, but if they can see at a glance that everything that you still have listed is relevant, then that makes it a stronger case. Okay, so I did the same thing with the Mama Bear shops. I didn't go to the individual shops there, and I probably should have, but I did what I had time for, and that's all you can do. Sometimes you just can't be a perfectionist about this stuff. So 06 Mama Bear Facebook shops. I went to Facebook and I just searched Mama Bear, and then I searched Mama Bear Boutique. So I found that. Something else I want to point out here real quick is that if you've got any personal information anywhere on the page, you can see this white rectangle. That's because it told who I was. You can't have that. Same thing on the right side of your Facebook stuff. You got to wipe that stuff out or black it out or whatever. Make sure it goes away. Always, always, always review your evidence one last time before you upload it to make sure there's no personally identifying information on any of it. Okay, so here I found a list of boutiques that all sell stuff, and then some shops, and so that was also evidence that people are using this term widely in the marketplace. This ABC News article here that I'm looking at, that was actually for that was for the Reagan Bush letter of protest. I just got that in the wrong folder. Okay, now, Mama Bear Novelty Products PDF. Technically, I'll just tell you, they're probably going to not accept this part of the evidence, but I felt it was worth trying because, like I explained before, if I'm selling on Amazon, but I'm having them print it, I am a third-party seller, and I would be providing online retail services. If I'm not actually shipping the shirt myself, if I'm having somebody else take care of it, then I'm acting as the go-between between the consumer and the drop shipper. I'm the one setting it all up. So I'm providing online retail services. So in my mind, that makes this information quite relevant, that I do that and I sell products that say Mama Bear. Now, none of these are my shop. I don't have a shop on Etsy. Well, I have a shop on Etsy. I just haven't done anything with it yet. But you get the idea. So I intentionally looked for things that matched what was on the application. I told you before, you copy and paste all the stuff that's on the status page of TSDR that tells you the serial number of the application, the date it was filed, and what types of goods and services they're trying to get it for. And these people wanted it for wooden signs, and for stickers, and for patches, and for hoodies, and for leggings. Oh, and I found these nice slippers, and there's leggings. Oh, they wanted it for socks. I couldn't find any socks, but I found these slippers, so I included those. Okay, so I just wanted to show that it's used on products that are the same product as what this supposed online store is offering. And then the TMAP, the Manual for Examining Procedures, also says you could consider dictionary definitions, so I included a couple of those from Urban Dictionary and the other people. Then, this is simply to help make the case that this is just a keyword. This is not a real brand, by showing they're actually trying to trademark all of these similar expressions. Not similar in what they say, but similar in the type of thing they are. Okay, that's a pretty long video. I'm going to do the premature use section in a separate video because this one's getting kind of long. So thank you very much. If you've made it this far, wow, you're amazing. All right, I'll talk to you later.